Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily repair your Vega hair dryer. First, always prioritize safety by unplugging the device from the power outlet before touching anything. You will need just two basic tools, a small Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in, which helps prevent losing any tiny screws or components during the process. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair experience. Now, let's open up your hair dryer. Begin by carefully locating and removing all visible screws, typically found on the handle and around the casing. Once the screws are out, gently use your flathead screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the casing. Be mindful of any internal wires or clips that might still be connecting the sections. Take your time to avoid damaging any delicate components as you separate the parts. With the hair dryer open, we can now troubleshoot common issues. First, thoroughly inspect the power cord for any visible damage, such as cuts or frayed wires, which often cause power problems. Next, examine the heating element for any breaks or loose connections that might prevent it from warming up. Also, check the air filter and fan blades for dust or hair buildup, as blockages can significantly reduce performance and cause overheating. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully reconnect any wires you might have detached and ensure the heating element is securely in place. Align the two halves of the casing precisely, making sure they snap together without any gaps. Then, reinsert and tighten all the screws you removed earlier to secure the hair dryer's body. Once fully assembled, plug it in and test it to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.